One of the places we spend our time the most as humans, especially in the current days, is at our workplace. Not only consumes so much of our day, and prime wedge between society and our contact with nature. According to the Bureau of Labor and Statistics, a 2014 National Gallup poll put the average working American at 47 hours per week, or 9.4 hours per day, with many saying that they work 50 hours per week with additional work at home. Although work is an important contribution to our society, we should not allow it to be the main reason for our widening disconnect with nature. A building design that has a reliance on a variety of natural systems, lighting, and ventilation can be a valuable technique to bring natural richness and humanity to workplaces, and also lower energy consumption in buildings. Giving a building lightness and a sense of transparency to the outside is not only beneficial for the well-being, health, and mental rejuvenation of the employees, but also it will result in a much more effective and high-quality work. I would like to start by introducing an iconic building located in Frankfurt, Germany, the Commerzbank. This amazing project by Foster and Partners is the world's first ecological office tower. It has a very impressive design that allows it to use green energy, and the development of the building reused and restored existing perimeter buildings, which reduced material consumption. It has a design that responds to the movement of the winds and solar orientation to ensure the best ventilation and daylight penetration. The triangular shape and mainly the central atrium that reaches to the roof level height allows light to penetrate, bringing plenty of daylight to the central parts of the building. In addition, the central atrium creates natural ventilation throughout the building by allowing the unwanted heat to rise. Office areas are naturally ventilated by letting users adjust their window and letting them adjust their own environment. The building is naturally ventilated 85% of the year. Also, to reduce potable water consumption, the condensate from the chillers was recycled and used as a washroom flushing. But one of the most impressive aspects of this building is the sky gardens, which alternate every 3 floors, circling on each side of the triangular design. Not only they perform as a natural ventilation system, but they also are breakout spaces for the workers, with an amazing view of the city. This building is one of the best examples of designing for well-being and health while also contributing to environmental, social, and economic sustainability. Although making a natural and eco-friendly workspace is structurally efficient and beneficial financially, it should enhance the experience of the workers and improve work quality as well. In the book Making Healthy Places, in Chapter 12, Healthy Workplaces, these type of interventions can increase worker health on and off the job and have a great positive psychological effect. In a research article called Framing Well-Being, the combined beneficial effects of daylight and a natural view on health, mood, and cognitive performance of office employees by Eindhoven University of Technology has shown views of natural environment can improve cognitive performance, mood, as in energetic arousal, tensile arousal, valence, and activation, and overall health. Similar effects have also been found for daylight entrance. Creating a space that allows workers to have a great view to the outside gives them a chance to take their minds off stressful work, and it can be something to look at while coming up with a great idea. One of the greatest therapeutic things we know, which can relieve stress, is looking out at a great view out of a window from a mountain or any great location. This is something that should be well considered and incorporated when designing a building with workspace for employees. The research consisted of surveys which measured the workers' overall health, need for restoration, stress, sleep quality, and trait self-control of employees. Exposure to daylight played a major key role in improving these components since it affects their energy levels positively than artificial lighting. Aside from daylight and natural views for employees, one of the best ways of refining a healthy workplace is by adding nature contact within the workspace. The biophilia hypothesis, quoting from Chapter 15, Contact with Nature, in the book Making Healthy Places, explains that natural elements are calming to people because of our link to the past, and human biology is embedded in our natural environment. Environments with natural elements either restore stress fatigue mindsets, enhance coping abilities, or stimulate portions of the old brain which balance the concentrated pressure and relieve exhaustion of the brain to reduce stress. This is why applying contact to nature is crucial when creating a design for a workplace. Another research article called Healthy Workplaces: The Effects of Nature Contact at Work on Employees' Stress and Health by Aaron Largo Wright and W. William Chen shows a research that seeks to answer the question, are there any effects on employees' stress and health by nature contact, to comprehensively measure for the first time nature contact at work. Similar to the previous research, using surveys, general perceived stress, stress-related health behaviors, and stress-related health outcomes were assessed as dependent variables. The results were significant and indicated that as workday nature contact increased, perceived stress and generalized health and work complaints also decreased. This makes it very important because it doesn't just contribute to the health of the workers, but very much to the productivity and the work they produce. Considering that the workplace is where time is spent the most, second to home, it's no doubt that workplace design has a strong impact on the health, safety, and well-being of society. By increasing natural exposure and contact at work, it's possible to improve the experience and the product of workforce in society. Stress and fatigue accumulating from constant working have been linked to many health problems and diseases, and this can be an effective method of improving this problem. Adding natural elements to the design of the workplace not only can be used effectively as green energy and can be eco-friendly, but mainly it will improve the overall well-being and health of the workers and the quality of their work.